Okay, so the question that we are discussing here says that if the focus of a parabola is at 0 comma minus 3 and its directrix is y is equal to 3, then its equation is, what are the three things that are given in the question? The coordinates of focus are given, the equation of the directrix is given, and it is given to you that the conic that is being represented over here is a parabola. As soon as I say the word parabola, one thing that should come into your mind is that the eccentricity is equal to 1. So for a parabola, what do we know? That its eccentricity is 1. If eccentricity is known, focus is known, and directrix is known, there is a definition that comes to my mind. And what is that definition? That PS by PM is equal to E, which in this case is equal to 1. That means PS will be equal to PM. And if PS is equal to PM, I can say that PS square will be equal to PM square. What is PS? PS is the distance between a variable point and the focus S, and PM is what? PM is the distance between the variable point P and the perpendicular distance. PM is basically the perpendicular distance between the point P and the directrix. So we will use this definition to find the equation of the parabola. Let us see how we will do this. Suppose I take the point P as h comma k. It is the locus of the point P. So we will assume the point P as h comma k. S is already given to you. This point 0 comma minus 3 is S. And this y is equal to 3 is the equation of the directrix. So what will be the distance PS? The distance PS will be equal to root of h minus 0 whole square plus k minus of minus 3 whole square. This will become equal to what? Root of h square plus k plus 3 whole square. If you square on both the sides, you will get PS square is equal to h square plus k plus 3 whole square. Okay, now coming to the distance PM, which is the perpendicular distance between the point h comma k and the directrix, which is given by y is equal to 3. So the equation of the directrix is y is equal to 3, which can also be represented as y minus 3 is equal to 0. So what will be the distance between the point P, h comma k and this line y minus 3 is equal to 0? We will use the formula for the perpendicular distance of a point from a line. So that distance PM will be given by what? Modulus of k minus 3 divided by square root of 0 square, because the coefficient of x in this line is 0. So 0 square plus the coefficient of y in this line, which is 1. So 1 square and modulus closed. So this will be equal to k minus 3 by 1, which you don't need to write because 1 can be written or cannot be written. So it can be written as mod of k minus 3. But if you square, you will get what? PM square is equal to k minus 3 whole square. Now for a parabola, what is the condition? PS square is equal to PM square. What was your PS square? If you look at PS square was h square plus k plus 3 whole square. So write it down. H square plus k plus 3 whole square is equal to k minus 3 whole square. PS square is equal to PM square. Expand this, what will you get? H square plus k square plus 9 plus 6k is equal to k square plus 9 minus 6k. Now this k square plus 9 will get cancelled. What will be left? H square is equal to minus of 6k minus 6k. So this will give you what? H square is equal to minus of 12k. Now see, since it is a locus of a point h comma k, now in the end what you will have to do? You will have to replace h by x and k by y. So what will be the locus? It will be x square is equal to minus 12y. So this is the equation of the locus of a point which moves in such a way, which has its focus as 0 comma minus 3, directrix y is equal to 3. So what is the equation that we got? X square is equal to minus 12y, which is option A. So option A is the correct option.